Okay, take two. Go ahead.
Got the win.
Hit the right button. Let go. Maybe the battery getting low. There you go.
There we go.
Whoa, easy. Well, hold it.
Okay,
Hey, not so good that time. Go ahead.
Or can you delete that one?
Go ahead.
Whoa.
Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Hold the stick the other way. Turn the stick to the right.
Okay.
The other right. I think the battery is getting low. We have to recharge it. Nice landing.
There, wait. Go.
Hold it. Stop. Come here. Hold on.